Hi, I am Hania,
And I am Rico.
and this is the Bulldog News. We had hot days last week.
Temperature were almost 100 degrees.
Let's check weather this week.
Let's hear for Noah.
From
Hi, I'm Noah with the weather this week. The weather is much cooler. Fall weather with highs in the 60s. There is even a chance of rain on Friday. Back to you, Rico and Hanya.
This week is Halloween.
Let's go over study one for safety tips. My name is Hania, and I'm here with.
Mr. Lamone?
Can you give us some safety tips for Halloween?
Yes, I sure can. Safety tip number 1, make sure that when you go out trick-or-treating, you go out with an adult. And number 2, make sure that you have your parents check your candy, make sure it's all sealed and safe before you eat it. And thirdly, brush your teeth after eating candy.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jason. We're going to get started to going to 6th grade class to see the science projects.
Can you tell us what your class has been doing?
Yeah, our class has been working on cells, and we've been studying about cells, plant cells and animal cells. And we made cell models, and I have to actually give credit to Mrs. Bowles. With her class, this is her idea, and I just we shared it, but she had the original idea last year for cell models, so credit to Mrs. Bowles.
How did they make their projects?
Well, they researched all the different parts of a cell, and then it was up to them how they wanted to do it. They could actually do a model, they could do a drawing, but it was a home-based project. It all took place at home, not here at school, and they came out really strong.
What did you want us to know about cells?
Well, cells are the building block of life, and that you have how many, class? Over a trillion! Over a trillion cells in your body, and that's a big, big number, but it all starts from one cell, so we learned an amazing amount, a lot about science and cells.
Hi, thank you. Can you tell us what's your name?
My name is Adriana.
What have you done in this project today?
Well, I actually did the animal cell and it's my project for the classroom. And
Thank you very much.
Our Rubber Boost food drive starts next week.
we sent our reporters out to interview the food drive organizers to find out more. Hi, my name is Alejandra and I'm here with
Dulce
Hania.
And Mrs. Nuno.
And we're going to ask you some questions. First question is, what is a Robert Bruce food drive?
The food drive is the time of year when teachers and students organize to collect food to give to our local families here at Robert Bruce.
Second question, what's important about the food drive?
The food drive is important just for teachers and students to learn about sharing and giving to others that may need a little help during the holidays.
Third question, when is the food drive?
The food drive begins Monday, November 6th and runs through November 13th. And those are the days we're asking for students as well as teachers if they can bring canned goods for us to be able to organize baskets for each family that we're seeking to help this holiday for Thanksgiving.
Thank you.
Last week was our fall carnival.
This carnival is in memory of Rosie Segovia.
Rosie worked at our school over 20 years.
The carnival has games, food, and fun. Let's look at some pictures from this year's carnival.
Hi, I'm Dulce.
And I'm Alejandra.
And these are Halloween fun facts. 36 million kids trick-or-treat each year.
Halloween is short for All Hallows Eve, an ancient holiday celebrated in Europe.
90% of parents admit to sneaking candy from their children's Halloween bag.
Immigrants from Ireland and Scotland brought Halloween to the United States in the 1800s.
The average American eats 24 pounds of candy a year.
Immigrants from Haiti and Africa brought voodoo beliefs about black cats, fire, and witchcraft.
Candy corn was first made by a small company. The company is now known as Jelly Belly Candy Company.
This year's top 5 kids' costumes are action/superhero, Batman character/princess, animals, spiders, and Star Wars characters.
120 million adults and children will dress up in a costume for Halloween.
The favorite costume for a pet was a pumpkin.
The favorite Halloween movie for kids is It's a Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown.
This year's largest pumpkin was grown in Germany by a man named Matt. It weighed 2,222 pounds.
See,
Happy Halloween! I noticed this pumpkin.
Wait, Happy Halloween?
I noticed this pumpkin.